Hi there, it's Coach Barbara from Bija Coaching. And if you have been reading Facebook or looking at the blog, you know that I am getting ready to do a 21-day cleanse. This is the 21-day ultimate reset, and I'm really quite excited about what it's going to do for my progress. So today I just want to talk about what I'm doing in preparation for actually doing the reset. So I started off with the quick start guide that came in my kit. And in there it talks about, remember that you're not alone. You've got a portal that you're actually going to be signing into, that you'll be going through it. Welcomes you to the program. It goes through an overview of the 3 different phases. And then it actually gives you a how to begin, which I think is really important because it's giving you step by step what you need to do. So you're going to watch the Reset Help DVD, Disc 1, which you get 2 DVDs. The first one is the Disc 1 Reset Your Health. So I watched that, which was really great because they talk about what their, the beta testers, what they struggled with, what their successes were. So it's a really great thing because you're getting both ends of it. You know what you're going into, but you also know what you're going to get out of it. Now, what I also liked is it said, read the program and nutrition guide and look over the weekly meal plans, including ingredient lists and recipes. So that was my next step. So I got out my overview and I went through it, which is great. It actually shows the all of the meal plans day by day and what you do. But see, I have a lot of food allergies, so that's why this was really important for me. Before I ordered, I was able to look at all of the ingredients, and so I knew exactly what I could have. And the supplements, there's nothing in there that is going to bother my allergies, which was great. But here's the catcher, the meal plan. It's got lots and lots of soy in it. And if you're like me, you don't do soy, either because of allergies like myself or because, well, you just don't like what it's going to do to your body. There's so much soy out there in the world anyway. I mean, everything, I'm allergic to corn and soy, and everything has corn or soy in it, right? So I was able to go through the meal plan and determine what I could have and what I couldn't have, and actually redefine what I'm going to eat on a daily basis, because you can actually take any of the meals from that same week to substitute for any of the other meals. But here's the really cool thing. So I found this great company that they only deliver between October and May 25th. So if you are thinking about doing the 21-day reset and you don't want soy, then you should order immediately. But they have soy-free miso, which I have missed miso soup like you just don't even know. So that's something that I'm really excited to have found. I also found in some areas of the country there are some like little local vendors that are making soy-free tempeh, and so that's something great too. We don't have it here, so I'm not going to be able to do tempeh, but again, I can substitute where that is. I also, with my background, I can substitute anything. I really don't do gluten, and they have whole grain toast, which a lot of times is going to be a gluten. So I've got my own quinoa barley. Doesn't that sound delightful? Quinoa barley bread that I found from a wonderful company that I'll be doing for my toast. And I won't be able to get all nice and sweaty because I will be doing yoga, but I'll be keeping you updated on how the easy yoga feels, how I feel like releasing all of these toxins that have built up. Especially, I mean, it's going to be interesting because I eat a lot of organics and I live a very clean life, but I know that there is something that's stopping my progress, and that's why I need to do this reset. That's what I really need to do, is clean out, spring clean. That's what this is for. So be watching for my posts and enjoying my dog in the background. And it's Coach Barbara, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.